Hello everyone! Today we're going to explore some of Amazon's most beautiful places together. Our journey begins with exploring the Amazon rainforest. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the breathtaking views. The Amazon rainforest is home to an astonishing array of wildlife. From the elusive jaguar to the vibrant macaws, each species plays a vital role in this intricate ecosystem. Imagine the cacophony of sounds as the forest comes alive each day, a symphony of life that is both mesmerizing and humbling. The Amazon River, stretching over 4,000 miles, is the lifeblood of the rainforest. Its waters nurture countless species and provide a vital resource for the indigenous communities that call this place home. It's hard to fathom the sheer scale and power of this river, which carries more water than the next 7 largest rivers combined. The Amazon is not just a natural wonder, it's a cultural treasure trove. Indigenous tribes have lived here for thousands of years, their lives intricately linked with the forest. Their traditions, stories, and knowledge are a testament to the deep connection humans can have with nature. These communities offer invaluable insights into sustainable living and the importance of preserving our natural world. As we conclude our journey through the Amazon, we are reminded of the delicate balance that sustains this incredible ecosystem. The Amazon rainforest is a vital part of our planet, and its preservation is crucial for future generations. Let us all take a moment to appreciate its beauty and commit to protecting this irreplaceable wonder.